Alright, today we're gonna make some pretty inexpensive and easy to make throwing stars, and they also don't require that many tools. So, I threw it backwards so it wouldn't go in the first time, but I guess I'm just that good. Okay, well. Alright, we'll really quickly go over tools and materials. You're gonna need some sort of blade. You know, you can use actually just a piece of flat steel as well. 2 nails. They could be roofing nails. They could be anything reasonably thick. You need a hammer. It can be bigger than this. It can be a ball peen. It can be not a ball peen hammer. And in addition to that, you're gonna need a hacksaw and also a file and any way to clamp this down, whether it be clamps or if you have a vise. And also, you're gonna need a drill. So here we go. You're going to want to start off by making a 45-degree angle. The easiest way to do this is to just fold a piece of paper, take a Sharpie. I didn't mean to do that to you guys, but you're actually going to need a tape measure too. Only thing is I don't know where mine is, but basically I'm going to do 4 inches for these, for each piece, and then cut them out. Now here you can hear how the file just skates over the teeth, kind of. That's why you want more of a fine-tooth file, so it has more of a chance to bite into it. Alright, to help out with drilling through the steel, since it's so hard, you don't want the bit to walk around. You should just drill into a scrap piece of steel with the same diameter drill bit, and then put it on top, and it'll stop it from drifting. Now you can get these blades pretty sharp, but I'm just gonna leave them how they are. They're a little sharp, and I'm just gonna paint it black. Okay, now the paint's dry. I'll do a little throwing, I guess. Keep in mind, I don't know anything about throwing stars and stuff like that. Worked pretty well. Hey, okay. Okay, that's it for the video. Throwing stars. Not that complicated, so. Next video, I might actually go back to doing the expanding gauntlet. I feel like that would be something pretty cool to do. And then maybe an idea for like just a really big throwing star for fun. I don't know, we'll see what happens. Leave any suggestions in the comments, of course, and that's about it. That one's not going in either.